Hi and welcome everyone. Lisa here for Whimsy Stamps. So today I just want to do a quick video introducing you to a few of the new release products. Now these are products that I received and I just want to share them with you. I'm going to be starting out with the new Happy Hamster stamp set and the Slimline Bunting Borders die. The Bunting Borders die are great for your landscape slimline cards to run all the way across them, or you can take and do like I did and just snip the ends off and snip them in the center or wherever you need to run them from side to side on a portrait slimline, or you could use these on A2 cards as well. So the top one there has the hearts that actually cut out, and you could use those as little confetti or use those in shaker cards as well. The middle one I'm thinking is going to be great for Christmas, Halloween, and then the bottom one, perfect for any galaxy themed cards, baby boy cards, and 4th of July. The top one with the little hearts I think is going to be really cute for Valentine's Day, and I could see that so adorable with the new bunny babies that just released not long ago. That's going to be really cute with that. Speaking of cute, meet the Happy Hamsters. They are adorable. So you get the little hamster there with the cupcake, and then you're going to get 2 hamsters that are riding on the balloons, and then one that's actually in the balloon. And you get some really great buildable sentiments in this set. So you're going to get May Your Day Be Filled With and Wishing You Lots Of. And then you're going to get each word of fun, happy, smiles, laughter, happiness, chocolate, birthday surprises. Now, as you saw there, you can purchase the coordinating dies separately for this stamp set. And here's one more look at this sample, and then I'm going to go ahead and introduce you to the Alfadoodles stamp set. Now, the Alfadoodles stamp set, it's an uppercase font. It has lots of doodling on it, and it actually coordinates with some items that are already released in the store. So you may actually own a few of these items that it coordinates with. Now, the card that I made, I ended up using the frame doodles along with the Alfadoodles to create that card. So here are the frame doodles, and you're going to see that same fun scalloping doodled on the font. And also the Fadoodles too, you're going to see the same doodling here on there as well. So also you're going to see the little flower has repeated in that stamp set, along with the heart has repeated as well. Now, you could also use these with the Frame Doodles scallop rectangle edges. So these 3 products, the Frame Doodles, the Fadoodles 2, and the Frame Doodles scallop rectangle edges, have already been previously released in the store. And the Alfadoodles is just a great set to add to that. Now, what I did for my card was I used the cross stitch heart background stamp and stamped it on my slimline card, and then just did a little bit of rainbow ink blending with some distress oxide. Went ahead and stamped and ran those through my scan and cut to die cut them out. And then I just put them on the card with some foam adhesive strips and added some gold touches with my gel pen. And that wrapped up that card. But I absolutely love the way that that looks on that rainbow background. Okay, so I'm very curious to know if the video like this is something that you want to see. Are you interested in being introduced to the new products, or would you just rather see us making something? We're curious to know because we would love to bring you more of these introduction videos if you're interested. So I really appreciate you joining me. Remember, products are linked below if you're wanting to hop over to the store and shop. Also, be sure and check out the blog because I know the design team has created some amazing projects for this release. And you can also find us over on Instagram as well. So join us there too. And as always, I hope you have an amazing day.